you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with a unboxing video on a item that I purchased from Amazon a while ago. So let's just get into it. So I'm not for sure. So I really can't pronounce the name of the item, but I am going to show you the box. This is the box that it came in. This is the name of the particular company. KOTAMU, I don't know, yeah. But this was $25.98 on Amazon. Y'all know I got that Prime, so when you have that Prime, you getting that product on time. Prime on time, baby. What is you saying? 2-day shipping. I said 2-day shipping. So this is the wax warmer kit. This is a hair removal hard wax bean target for bikini lines, Brazilian wax, full bodies. You can wax your face if you want, facials, eyebrows, legs, armpits. It claims to be a painless at-home wax kit for men and for women. So if y'all men want areas a little clean now, ain't no shame in there, because if your girl, you okay, so you want to claim, okay, so that's what it's claiming. And I found out about this product by a YouTuber and Instagrammer. Her name is on Instagram and like YouTube, Lexi Hair. Y'all might be familiar with her. She has like a whole bunch of 500 something subscribers, and she got so many videos out. She's been around for a long time. I'm gonna put her channel down below. She also has another channel called Starting Lexi. She does other things like on Instagram. She's just really cool. She really laid back with her videos. She does a lot of videos about natural hair, wigs, installing wigs, things like that. Really laid back person. I don't know her personally. She just put a lot of links up to deals they were having, and I saw this and I wanted it because your girl, she don't be shaving, and I don't have money to be going to get a Brazilian wax. Like, your girl don't have the funds. So if something can be at home for me to do my own, then why not? So let's just get into the unboxing. So again, this is the box that it came in. Here's like a picture of it, the box that it came in, and these little words over there, y'all already know what it is. So when you first unbox it, this is how it's looking. So it has a few different color beads in there. So we're just going to unbox it together so we can see what it is. Now, I'm not going to use this today, but I am going to do a video, like a demo, showing you all how to use it, like on your armpits, your legs, or something like that. Probably after your girl ain't pregnant no more, you know. But this is how it's looking. So it has some different type of hard beads in here, hard wax beads, and I'll just show you the colors. So this is the first color, which is a green one. And then they have like a cream one in here. And then they gave us like a peach one. And all of these are 3.5 fluid ounces. It says home use hard wax beans. And then they also blessed us with a blue one, which is really pretty. Right here. So then we have a card in here. It just has the email address on here. It says, congratulations, you are selected to join our special free gift offer. And then it has a barcode on the back of here for you to go ahead and take advantage of that and to visit their website. It also has another card, thank you, basically for purchasing. It says, dear customer, thank you for your purchase. Whatever the name of this is, KOTAMU is a new business dedicated to providing you with the best at-home waxing experience. If you have any unsatisfaction or concerns about your product, please contact us. They give us the email. Our friendly customer service team will work hard to solve your problem, resend or refund available without return. So that's really good. So just the cord. So the next thing they give you are like some toothpicks, the same ones that they use up in the when they be doing your eyebrows and stuff. These are their thicker, maybe for your legs and things like that. These are more so for your eyebrows and things like that. So here you go. So then the last thing that comes in the jar is the actual container. So this is the container right here. It has the little knobs on there. It goes from 160 to 240 on and off. If you can see that, 160 to 240 Fahrenheit on and off. It has a little top on here that's wrapped up. It has a section for you to put your oils in there. Right there. And there comes with a little plug on there. And then it has just these little rings right here. I'm not sure what they're for, but I'm pretty sure they'll tell you once you read the directions. And then we have just this information packet that tells you about the product that you purchased and how to keep it safe, how to do everything you need to know. You have any questions, you can call them. Wada, 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 woom, woom, woom. So those are all the things that come in this box. This was a very quick video. It's super late, and I would do like a demonstration, probably put some wax on my arm and show y'all, but I'm gonna save that for a different video because I want to go into detail on how I warm the wax, where I'm putting the wax, all the witcha, all the witcha. But this is my unboxing for this product. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to try this product out. I hope it works. Like, for $25 for this much stuff is an awesome deal, especially getting all these waxes. And you're not going to even need to use a whole bag of this wax when you're about to do something. For the most part, you're going to use a section of this and still have so much more to go. And they gave you 4 bags of it, and you can always go on there. I saw these being individually sold, so that's extremely awesome, and they're not even expensive, so that's cool. But this is my unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am forever shopping, and I just want to show y'all everything because somebody out there might be looking for something that they need, you know, and they like, where I'ma go? Girl, your girl got you, sis. I got you. Because most likely your girl done bought it, because I can't seem to do nothing else with my little free time now but just put my little card number in there. But yes, that's all I have for you. Thank y'all for coming to my video and just chilling with me for a little minute, seeing some other stuff I done spent some little money on. But don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.